love every single one of the oils I'm about to introduce you to. Learning these new oils will offer you solid substitutions for more popular oils. They also offer you an increased range of aromas to work with when you're blending. These oils will help you go even deeper with your recipes so that you're more able to help people and be sure that the blends that you're making for them have aromas that they absolutely love. Hi, I'm Andrea Bouget, founder of Aromahead Institute, and the 4 oils that I want to share with you today are bergamot mint, cardamom, elemi, and yuzu. Have you used any of those? They're all really wonderful, but less known, less popular. Let's start with bergamot mint. I love this oil. It is actually a mint, but it has the aroma of bergamot. It has the citrus minty aroma. It's as if you took bergamot and you took peppermint and you blended them into one. But this is its own plant. It's so great. And the chemistry of this oil is actually pretty similar to lavender in some important ways. So when you don't want to use lavender, because some people don't love it, or you don't have any lavender, bergamot mint is an excellent substitute. It's calming, it's very relaxing, it's good for pain, it's good for muscle tightness, muscle spasms, and it's really very settling emotionally. Okay, so this is a great one to have on hand. All right, let's talk about cardamom. Now, cardamom's more well known because of the spice, but have you used the essential oil? The essential oil is a fabulous respiratory oil. The difference between this cardamom and things like eucalyptus that we typically use for respiratory stuff, colds, flus, allergies, is that cardamom does not smell medicinal. Cardamom is sweet and spicy. It's just one of my favorite smells. And so it's a great one to add if somebody has a cold or flu or they're congested, sinus headaches. This oil is going to quickly become a good friend. Next, we have the wonderful elemi. Now, elemi is actually made from a resin, just like frankincense and myrrh and opopanax, but it's a little different than all the other resin oils. It has this really fun aroma. It's warming, it's got a lemon aroma, it's got a black pepper aroma to it. So I actually love blending it with lemon and black pepper, and it's amazing. It adds a depth if you blend it with frankincense and myrrh that I think you're gonna love. So this is a nice respiratory oil as well, very calming if you have a cough. It's wonderful to add into skin nourishing blends, especially if you want that sort of more uplifted aroma, and I love it with frankincense. Okay, and then lastly we have yuzu. Now, yuzu is an exotic citrus fruit from Japan. It's amazing. It's so much more complex than any other citrus because it has multiple layers. For example, it has this tart grapefruit aroma. It has overtones of sweet mandarin, orange. It has a balsamic floral characteristic to it. So it's very complex and delightful and utterly uplifting and very energizing and perfect to use for any reason you might use a citrus. For diffusing, cold and flu time, for cleaning, even for that citrusy note in a natural perfume. All right, so I'm curious, are you using any of these oils? Are any of these familiar to you? If so, I would love to hear about that. You can comment below, and also you can subscribe to this channel. If you're enjoying the information about essential oils, I make a new video every 2 weeks. So just click the red subscribe button, and then I'll send you an alert every 2 weeks when I put out a new video. All right, take care. Bye for now.